Hello, my name is Tina. Supplies used are cardboard box, ribbon, crepe streamers, and glue stick. First, open up the box and cut along a corner. Cutting up the corner and taping it back will make it easier to break the piñata open. Second, cut out the inner flaps. Again, this will make it easier to break the piñata open. Then, tape along the openings. Here I used duct tape. The more spaces you leave between each tape, the easier it will be to break the piñata open. Now, cut out the inner flaps on the other side of the box. Cut out the inner flaps and do not tape your box yet. Fill up your piñata with candies, chocolates, small soft toys, party favors, and the likes. Here I taped my box. You should make your handle first. Using your scissors, cut slits along the crepe streamers, making sure not to cut through to the other side to form fringe. Your slits don't have to be equally distanced. If you can make them look uniform and neat, that's well and good. If not, it's totally fine. Your piñata will turn out good. Now, go ahead and glue the streamers onto your cardboard box. Layer your streamers from the bottom to the top. Here, I am doing one side of the box at a time. Luckily, I realized very quickly that I've forgotten to make the handles for the piñata. Open up one side so that I can loop the ribbon through. Using a skewer, poke 2 holes on the top, insert the ribbon and pull it from the other end. Tie a knot or 2 to hold it in place. It looks a little tilted. Let's turn it around. Here are the streamers. So far, so good. You may want to layer up the ribbon handle to make it stronger. Then, I taped the opening back and continued with gluing the streamers onto the box. Here's the progress report for 1 roll of streamers. I love it already. It is looking so pretty. For the second roll of streamers, I layered them on top of each other and cut it to form fringe. This method took me lesser time to layer and cut the streamers compared to my first method. First side of the box is almost covered with fringe streamers. Stick a happy birthday banner over it. Here's the progress report for 1 completed side of the box. Look at how beautiful it looks and so easy to do. Now go ahead and do the same on all sides of the box. Here's how the 2 completed sides look like. Do you notice the excess on the yellow fringe streamers? You can easily cut off the excess for a neater look. For the third roll of streamers, I layered the streamers as one big roll and cut them to form fringes. This method took me even lesser time to cut the streamers and to glue them onto the box. As you can already see, making a DIY piñata can be as simple and easy as this. I made this easy DIY piñata for the very first time, and definitely it will not be the last time I make one. Piñata is a great addition at a children's birthday party, but they don't last long. It gets beaten up to pieces as children try to get candies and treats out of it. So the next time there's a party, make a piñata and wow everyone with it. For the last step, I layer the top side of the box. Voila! Here is how to make the easiest piñata. If you find value in this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. I upload every Mondays. Be sure to watch my Easy Balloon Tower tutorial playlist. You will be glad that you did.